What languages were spoken in the home growing up?
It's funny, mostly Spanish, although my parents, if I have this correctly, actually my father grew up in a relatively not secular, in a secular home in Russia. Apparently my parents decided that they're going to speak Yiddish. You know, as they met and they decided. So Yiddish was the language that they spoke among themselves, and they wanted us to learn it. And but to me, sort of, Yiddish was the language that I should not know because that's the language they were speaking when they didn't want us to hear. And later on, as I became sort of a Zionist, Yiddish became the language of the Galut, of the diaspora. So I was completely against learning any Yiddish at all, and sort of was on principle that I didn't want to learn. I was a Hebraist, so I spoke Hebrew. But the language that we spoke among ourselves was Spanish.